Hello pretty people, I'm a bird, meet me here. Are you ready? Let's go! I have feathers, wings, a beak, and I can fly in the sky. I have colorful feathers like peacock, parrots, flamingo, etc. I build nests and lay eggs. Some of us can swim like duck, geese, swans, penguins, etc. Subscribe. I can be herbivorous, carnivorous or omnivorous. Ostrich is the large flightless bird and hummingbird is the smallest bird. I have lightweight skeletons which help me to fly. I am a helper of farmer. I help in pollination. Like. Many of us fly long distances to save ourselves from extreme climate like Siberian cranes, amur, falcon, migratory birds. Due to human activities, many species of the birds are in danger. We should be protected. Hey! If you liked the video, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.